So guys, for the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to head over to the Details tab. And then you want to scroll down till you find Discord, and then you want to right click on the first Discord that comes up, and then click on End Process Tree, and then click on End Process Tree again. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in Run. Click on it. Then we're going to type in Temp and click on Enter. Now we need to delete everything in this folder, so click on Ctrl A and then click on Delete. And then click on Cancel if you get this. Next, you want to head over to search again and type in Run. Then you want to type in App Data and click on Enter. Then you want to click on Local. Then you want to scroll down till you find Discord. You want to delete this folder. I'm not going to delete it because I haven't got a problem, but you delete it. Once you delete that folder, we're going to head over to search and type in Run. Then we're going to type in %appdata% and click on Enter, which will now take you to this folder. So now you want to scroll down again and you want to delete the Discord folder and this one as well. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. Then you want to scroll down till we find Discord. You want to click on the three dots and click on Uninstall, and then you want to uninstall Discord. Now once you do all of that, you want to head over to the Discord website and then just download it again to your computer. Then you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.